Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to add animated icon in CapCut. Here are the steps to add an animated icon in CapCut using your mobile device. First, open CapCut on your mobile device. Tap the CapCut app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap on your project. Choose a video or image to edit and tap Add. Wait for the timeline to load. You'll enter the editing interface. Tap Overlay at the bottom toolbar. This allows you to add external elements like icons. Tap Add Overlay. Browse your font gallery or file manager. Select the animated icon file like GIF, video format, or PNG type. Choose the file with the animation you want to use. Tap Add to import it to the timeline. The icon will appear as an overlay on your main video. Resize or move the animated icon. Use two fingers to resize. Make it bigger or drag it on the preview screen like corners. Tap the overlay clip to open Edit Tools. You'll see options like animation, opacity, etc. Tap animation like in, out, or loop combo. Choose an entrance or loop effect for smoother movement. Then you can also tweak the slider to make it slower. Preview your video to check positioning. Tap play and adjust the icon size or timing if needed. Then hit the check mark. Tap the export button when done. Save or share your video with the animated icon. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.